widely offered prescription for success? Self-reflection. Observe your emotions. Pay attention to your reactions. Notice your feelings. Fair enough. Self-reflection is a standard recommendation to understanding self and to navigate your way forward, isn't it? It could either be a walk in nature, journaling at the end of your day, self-talk, meditation, and so on. The question is, how credible is your self-reflection? What makes it true? Just because we thoughtfully engaged in the process of self-reflection, we are so confident that our internal observations are true, isn't it? It is only natural that our introspections are biased by our own beliefs and interests. I'm thinking, yes, self-reflection is indeed a valid prescription for success. However, the results of your self-reflection need to undergo one final testing. Step outside yourself and challenge it as if you were some random person. Become your own critic before you can take action on your self-reflection. What do you think?